In high-pressure industrial environments, blind spots and visibility gaps trigger most near misses and forklift collisions. You can't afford that. Here's the solution. Solan's Systems Junction Observation Post, a simple, effective visibility solution for industrial intersections. Installed at four-way junctions, it leverages integrated forklifts, sensing to instantly enhance driver visibility and alert pedestrians. Junctions aren't the only risk. The real danger starts beyond the exit door, where forklifts and pedestrians can collide without warning. The observation post eliminates that risk instantly. Upon detecting activity, it activates Solan's guidance and alert light. A stop sign with an alarm triggers, warning pedestrians in advance and guiding forklift operators. Built for tight corners and confined pathways, it integrates seamlessly, offering compact, cost-efficient visibility control. Across warehouses and high-traffic manufacturing zones, these systems drastically minimize incidents and strengthen safety. Powered by built-in material handling equipment smart sensors. Choose the S, Solan Safety Systems, ensuring visibility where it matters most. Solan Systems. Keep it simple.